Right, so today I have these, which will fit in a sec. Still haven't fitted this, so I need to get around to doing that. And I also have it's not private plate, I keep saying that. They're not private plates, they're show plates. So when I go to car shows and things, or if I'm videoing, the reg not in the reg is not in the footage. Why are these so hard to just make it normal tape? This adhesive's horrible. Great. Yeah. So anyways, show plates. There you go. These will be my show plates. You see there's no numbers or anything on them. They're not road legal. They're not for my car to be road legal. They're just show plates. Door cards came. So my door cards to replace these ones with all the speakers in are here. They're the same as these, but they're Golf R ones. Damage on here. Didn't notice that. Yeah, so anyways, we've got Golf R ones. So the stitching is not red, it's white. But I can dye that and get a pen to it, whatever, I'm not too fussed at the moment. The light at the top is the thing that's a bit like, so it's going to have a blue Golf R light on a red interior GTI. But aside from that anyways, I need to take it on Saturday to get the door cards cut, the speakers. Once they're done, oh, hold on. Once they're done, I can then get them fitted with sound deadening, run the cable in as I did last time, but power cable's gonna have to go for the centre, and I'm done at that point. I just need to put the Alderson in and my sub. So it's gonna be a little bit different this time, but it's what's required. So anyways, let's start by doing the caps. I think I'm more than going to go away with the caps tonight because it's getting dark and quick. Let's see how many I've got. I've got enough for each wheel. I use the old bag, the old one. So, got a pillow for this as well. At least. I think I know why that was loose. I can check the bottom. No, that was just generally loose. Try and put one of them on here, it just doesn't go for these reasons. You've got the bit underneath. That sucks. So this one's going to be mod for another day, I think. So I'm not having one black one, it's not happening. Here. See the difference? That bottom one's for the locking nut. That bottom one's for the locking nut, so fortunately I can't do it. Hey guys, so I'm at the moment in Peterborough. So basically I'm up here because I'm doing some door builds for the speakers, which I have one down here. Not sure if they're going to need me to leave them the speaker, but the only reason I'm not doing my door builds myself is because I want a standard look. I want it to look factory, so when someone sees it, they don't look at it and think, oh, you got speakers in there. I want it to look like it's like a custom optional extra in a sense from Volkswagen. I want it to have that standard look, so that's what I'm going for. I've got some door cards on the back. It's kind of going to be a little bit obvious that they are done, but you know what I mean. I want that flowing flush look. So the Golf R door cards, because they're Golf R door cards, like I said, I have a blue light. It's kind of obvious that they've been changed, but at least the Golf R door cards are exactly the same as GTIs, just with a blue light and white stitching rather than red. I can dye the stitching red, it's not a big issue. So yeah, that's what we're going for. So I've come down here at the moment because I've left my sub amp to get serviced that I had before in the other Golf. Golf R door cards. Free door. The seller I bought them from was an absolute arse. He decided, we're not going to send you the switches. We're going to take them all out, including the switches down there for the passenger window. The other switch we've got up here, it took out the switches down here as well. So I've got all my switches apart from the two down here, which is kind of really annoying. The Golf R door cards I've got aren't in the best of condition, which is somewhat really annoying. But we'll work with it.